welcome back to another Momoko's travel show. If you like Gundam, this video is for you. Today, I'm visiting Gundam Factory Yokohama. Gundam Factory Yokohama is an entertainment complex located at Yamashita Pier in Yokohama, Japan. At the entrance, everyone will receive a Gunpla. I was excited to see a full-scale Gundam for the first time. Its main feature is moving Gundam, named the RX-78F00 Gundam, an 18 meters tall pilot-operated mecha. It is the first moving mecha of its type. The site opened on 19th of December 2020 and will remain open until 31st of March 2022. The Gundam moves every 30 minutes, so before we see it move, let's visit the Gundam Lab. In the Gundam Lab Academy, you can learn about the development process of the moving Gundam, its design, structure, and mechanisms through panels and videos. When I got here, I learned this moving Gundam is equipped with a cockpit that people can enter. This is an engineer's and fan's dream! There's also an AR corner where you can experience being in the cockpit. You'll feel like a Gundam pilot. Let's enjoy the moving Gundam show while having lunch at the cafe on the second floor. At the Gundam Cafe, you can enjoy original menu items of Gundam Factory Yokohama and limited edition goods. I ordered a Halo bun, a Gundam bun, and an original cafe latte. This Halo bun is a typical sweet bun. There's nothing like eating lunch while watching the moving Gundam. Oh, by the way, you can also take the cafe food out to the terrace. And Gundam bun has shrimp with chili sauce in it. Let's head to the Gundam dock to see the moving Gundam closer. The Gundam dock is a deck where the moving Gundam is stored and maintenance work is done. Visitors can go up to the Gundam dock tower by purchasing an additional ticket, and can see the moving Gundam up close. The Gundam Dock Tower is a special viewing platform where you can see the head and body of the moving Gundam up close from the height of 15 to 18 meters.
Mission Control より発令。これより RX-78F00 ガンダムの起動実験を開始する。
総員、配置についてください。
繰り返す。
総員配置についてください。コックピットハッチ止めます。
コックピットハッチ確認。
Cockpit door lock secured.
G6 可動デッキスタンバイ。ポート閉鎖完了。
Release the bridge.
Tickets to go up to the tower can be purchased through the official app of Gundam Factory Yokohama or the official website. Advance reservations for the tower are required because it's really popular. I was very impressed to see a moving Gundam right in front of me. It was like one of my childhood dreams had come true. After seeing the moving Gundam in front of me, I headed to the Gundam base, the official Gundam Factory Yokohama store for Gundam fans. Here you can find a variety of original Gundam models, products in collaboration with Yokohama, official booklets, items only available here, and many other original products. There was a cute Hello popcorn bucket at the food court. Even the vending machines have Gundam designs. When you buy a drink, one of the anime characters will talk to you. It was a very fun time that passed in the blink of an eye. So how was it? If you like Gundam, you should come here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you on the next trip!